Hey, this is Jacob Olson with my Shapes walkthrough screen capture. So what we're going to do now is we're going to build out a little smiley face emoji character. We're going to start off with a circle, and then we're going to build a little face on him, and then we're going to top him off with some hair. So it's going to be good. So first we're going to start off with our background color. We'll give it some dimensions here, 100 by 100. Let's set the position to relative so that the content generated inside it can be positioned relative to the div. And just so it's not shoved over into the corner, let's put it left 50% to be in the center of the screen there. And then let's give it a 100% border radius. We have our circle. Now let's generate some content in before. And this might be cheating a little bit, but I'm gonna use some characters here for the smiley face. Let's give that a font size of 50. Change the color to white. Absolute positioning, which also changes it to a block. So now we can position it here. This is a little trick I picked up on Stack Exchange to center an object absolutely. You want to set left and top to 50%, not right. And then we can use transform and translate. That makes your object, your element, dead center. We don't want him sideways. So now we're going to rotate him 90 degrees. For some reason, he's not quite center. There's like some extra white space because of the characters or something. I'm not sure. We're going to change that to 35%. And let's just go ahead and make the top about 40% and move that down a little bit. That looks a little better. You know what? Let's go ahead and make that bold. Pop his eyes out a little bit, give him a bigger smile. He's looking happy down there. Still though, he's looking pretty bald. So let's give this little guy some hair. And after, just use a blank space for content. Nothing's showing up yet because by default, generated content is inline, so it can't have a width or a height. Then when we set it to position absolute, that automatically switches the object to a block and now it appears. That doesn't look much like hair, just like a block sitting on his head. So let's sculpt this a little bit. Add a little border there. And shift it over to the left by about 3 pixels to offset the border. Now it's perfectly centered. Looks kind of like a little hat. So let's continue to sculpt this guy. By doing that, we're rounding only 2 of the corners. And now we give him kind of a little flare there for his hair. And just to kind of finish it, shift it a little bit with translate. And let's rotate it not by much, but by about 3 degrees. And there we have our little emoji smiley face man, complete with a full head of hair.